use a Rotovac 360 with a carpet cleaning machine that puts out 240-degree water, which breaks down all the soils and greases and grime. This house is one of my customers, Riddle's house, and he wanted to replace the carpets. And I told him, well, before you replace the carpets, let me see if I can get them clean. Well, as you can see, Rotovac 360 does an excellent job in restoring the carpet. And by far, this has been like the best investment that my company has had. Not only does it clean the carpets, it actually rejuvenates them. It makes the carpet pile lift up and stand up. This carpet's been almost 3 years to the day of being cleaned. I only use chemicals that are actually pet friendly and baby safe. And I let the Rotovac 360 do the work. As you can tell, it cuts right through grease. This is actually where the dining room was at. This is where they ate. As you can tell, breaks the grease down, all the sodas, coffee, it comes right out. This is actually just kind of pre-scrub, and Rotovac 360 actually doesn't overwet the carpet. You can control that with your carpet machine. This way it makes for faster drying times. And like I said, it rejuvenates the carpets. Kind of skim over a spot here to kind of show you the difference, what it's doing. And as you notice, I don't actually have to make 2 passes over clean carpet. It's basically 1 pass